In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search any product on AliExpress by image. This is a really handy skill if you've ever come across a product in real life or online but have no idea how to describe it or what keywords to use in your search. By using an image to find exactly what you're looking for, you'll save a lot of time and avoid the frustration of endless scrolling. Let's dig into the process and explore some neat tips along the way. First, you'll want to ensure you have the AliExpress app installed on your smartphone. Visit the App Store or Google Play if you don't have it yet. Once downloaded and installed, go ahead and open the app. Now, when you're at the app's home page, take a look toward the top of your screen where you'll see a search bar. You might have noticed a small camera icon on the right-hand side of this search bar. That's where the magic begins. Tap on that camera icon and the app will prompt you to either take a photo or choose one from your existing photo library. If you already have an image saved that you want to use, select the option to browse your gallery. Take your time to locate the exact image of the product you wish to search for and select it. If you haven't saved a photo before, make sure you have one handy before starting this process. The quality of the search results often depends on the clarity and relevance of the image you use, so keep that in mind. Once you've selected your image, the AliExpress app will begin analyzing it. This might take a few seconds, so be patient while the app does its work. It's smart technology at play here, looking for the closest matches among millions of products available on the platform. Soon the app will display a list of relevant products, matching closely with your uploaded image. As you browse through the results, pay close attention to different sellers, prices, shipping options, and buyer reviews. The landscape of AliExpress is vast, and these elements can significantly vary from one seller to another. Never overlook the reviews and ratings as they can give you insights into the quality of the product and the reliability of the seller. By using image search on AliExpress, not only do you streamline the hunting process, but you also increase the chances of finding exactly what you're looking for quickly and efficiently. Once you've located the right product, you can proceed with your purchase as you normally would on the app. Remember to double-check all product details to ensure it meets your requirements. And there you have it. By leveraging the power of image search on AliExpress, shopping for obscure, hard-to-describe items becomes a whole lot simpler and more intuitive. I hope you find this feature as useful as I do. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!